I'm Amelia. Today, we're going to talk about how to decoding your conflict style. It's about creating a new set of rules for engagement that make you both feel safe. Rule number 1, the soft startup. Most destructive fights begin with a harsh critical opening. It's an accusation. You always leave your dishes in the sink. You're so lazy. This immediately puts your partner on the defensive and guarantees a fight. The solution is a soft startup. Instead of an attack, you start with your own feeling, using an I statement. Instead of, "You never listen to me." Try, "I feel lonely and unheard when I'm talking, and you're looking at your phone." Instead of, "You're late again. You don't respect my time." Try, "I feel anxious and unimportant when I'm left waiting. In the future, could you please send a quick text if you're running late?" A soft startup is not about being weak, it's about being smart. You are inviting your partner into a conversation, not a battle. Rule number 2, the pause button, a tool for the withdrawer. If you are the withdrawer, your greatest challenge is emotional overwhelm. Your instinct is to flee. Instead of just shutting down or walking away, you need a constructive way to ask for a break. This is your pause button. It is perfectly acceptable to take a timeout during a fight, but it must be done with reassurance. Here is your script. "I can see that this is incredibly important, and I want to resolve this with you. But right now, I am feeling completely overwhelmed and can't think clearly. I need to take 20 minutes to calm down and gather my thoughts. I promise we will come back to this conversation after that." This statement does 3 crucial things. It validates your partner's feelings. This is important. It explains your own state. I am overwhelmed. And it provides a clear promise to re-engage. We will come back to this. This gives the pursuer the reassurance they desperately need and gives you the space you desperately need. Rule number 3, the empathy mandate, a tool for the pursuer. If you are the pursuer, your greatest challenge is managing your panic when your partner withdraws. When they hit the pause button, your instinct is to chase them. Your new job is to honor their request for space and use that time productively. Instead of stewing in your own anxiety and building a case against them, your task is to practice empathy. Ask yourself the question, what is the vulnerable feeling underneath my partner's silence? Try to imagine what it feels like to be them in that moment. Do they feel like a failure? Are they scared of saying the wrong thing? Are they just completely overwhelmed? By trying to understand their experience, you shift from accusation to compassion, which will completely change the tone of the conversation when it resumes. Rule number 4, master the repair attempt. The difference between successful and unsuccessful couples is not that they don't fight. It's that successful couples are masters of what he calls the repair attempt. A repair attempt is any statement or action that tries to de-escalate the tension and reconnect. It can be as simple as,